Stocking the freezer for postpartum part 2. Today's theme is grab and go dinners. These ingredients are for a sausage bean soup, these are for vegetarian burritos, and these are for beef burritos. We got our recipes ready to go. Let's do this. I wanted to make a hearty, nutritious soup, and I'll freeze into individual cubes once the soup is completely cooled. Until then, it's burrito time. We welcome chaos here, so I'm making both burrito recipes at the same time. This is the vegetarian, this is the beef. While those are cooling, I'm back to the soup. I fill the silicone container with the soup and pop it into the freezer until everything is frozen. I did 2 rounds. Then burrito assembly line time. You know the drill. We act like we work at Chipotle and wrap all the burritos really well and with aluminum foil. And then we repeat until they're all finished. To store in the freezer, label gallon-sized ziplocks, slide the burritos in, get the extra air out of the bag, and seal. I wanted to make a lot of burritos because they're really easy to grab from the freezer and quickly heat up in the microwave. When the soup cubes are completely frozen, just pop them out of the container and slide them into a labeled ziplock. I froze like this so I could easily reheat individual servings. And here's my little meal prep from today. The burrito stack is growing and I'm adding these meals to what I made from part 1. I'm loving how this is coming together. Follow along to see what's next.